Welcome! In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to add a community photo on WhatsApp web using your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to personalize your community and give it a unique identity. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your preferred browser. You can do this by visiting the official WhatsApp web page and scanning the QR code with your phone. Once logged in, you'll see your chats and communities displayed on the left side of the screen. Next, locate the Communities tab in the left side menu. Click on it to access all the communities you're part of. From here, select the specific community where you want to add or change the photo. Once inside the community, click on its name at the top of the screen. This will open the community settings. Now, look for the Add Community icon option. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to upload a photo. Choose an image from your PC that represents your community or aligns with its theme. After selecting the photo, confirm your choice by clicking Upload Photo. Finally, adjust the image if needed, resize or reposition it to fit perfectly, and confirm your changes. Your new community photo is now live and visible to all members of that community. And that's it. You've successfully added a community photo on WhatsApp web using your PC. This feature allows you to make your communities more visually appealing and easily recognizable. Try it out today and give your WhatsApp communities a fresh look.